Alright, this video is addressing these older Polaris Sportsmans. I do believe this applies to the Explorers and Magnums as well. If you have this style speedometer, it's the cable drive model, like I do. This is a diesel, but I also have an Explorer. And you do not have a working speedometer anymore, first thing you need to do is just check this cable. If you hook a drill up to it, just do that quick here. Just tighten the chuck down just a little bit, put it in reverse, spin it. If it moves like mine did, your cable and your speedometer are fine. Now last fall, we had a wet fall, and there was a lot of moisture in there. First time I drove it when it was below freezing, no speedometer. So I assumed the cable's bad, just checked it, it's not. So you go here to the adapter, and what I found when I pulled this off was this little mangled mess here. Let's see if this will focus. This is the square key drive that goes in between the gear case and this, I think they call it angle drive adapter or something. Anyways, so that sheared off when the ice formed and I tried to drive it. Now, Polaris discontinued this part, I don't know, like, seems like it was at least 10 years ago. Probably when they first could discontinue it. You find forum posts from like 2011, 2012. Manufacturers are required to make parts for 10 years, so they probably discontinued about 09. Which makes sense, because 99, they were switching over to electronic speedometers, which are way more reliable in my experience. So let's see if this focuses. This is just an 1/8 inch square machine drive. I picked it up at local hardware store. Wow, this does not, there we go, now it focuses. And all I've been doing is massaging it with a grinder. Now, I had a little bit of a gap when I pushed that on there. That means this needs a little more massaging. The one end that I had in the drive needs a little bit more taken off of it. That's the one in the jaw there. There we go. I'll probably shave just a little bit of it off lengthwise too. So I think they're probably about $5 to $10 when they were new, if you could find one. There is a little collar in the middle of them that prevents them from walking back and forth too much. By shaving an 1/8 inch one down like this with a grinder, you've got that thicker part in the center, will act the same. And this little guy was like 60 cents. So if you've got one of these older Polarises and you're having an issue with this key in between the gear case and the 90-degree adapter, that guy right there, yeah, just even if you don't have a grinder, if you got a sander, you can go ahead and just use that. So hope this helps somebody. Talk to you guys later.